13 minutes later, and they come out of the oven. Look at how beautiful those are. You start with this layer. Get yourself some cheap ass fucking syrup. Yeah, use the cheapest stuff you can buy. This stuff's from Walmart. Go figure. The Hillbilly's Choice. Oh, look at that. Don't it look good? Now I'll throw us a chicken patty up on there. Put a little bit more of this cheap syrup on there. And then we throw the last one out. And then we repeat with these. Don't it look good, folks? And think of all the money you're saving. The 200-mile round trip to the Waffle House. All that money I can use for lottery tickets. Yeah, because you know that's what hillbillies really like. Lottery tickets, fried chicken, waffles. A masterpiece.